MJMC students, make sure your work gets approved on the very first attempt, then don't stress. Gyan is here for you with 100% approval guarantee. For MJMC students, the process is very clear but sometimes confusing. First, you need to prepare your MJML 0 to meet ignou's strict guidelines. Social media impact, news reporting, advertising, public relations, media literacy, and communication studies. Every synopsis and project is written exactly as per EU standards with proper objectives, methodology, analysis, and references, ensuring fast approval and zero rejection. Now, keep in mind the deadlines by October 31st, and project submission must be completed by October 31st. Synopsis submission is open till March 31st, approval comes by April 30th, and project submission is due by April 30th. If you miss these dates, you lose 6 months and your degree gets delayed. So do not wait until the last moment. And today for the best quality MJMC synopsis.